Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to evaporate and unvaporate your fruits in your inventory and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me open up my inventory, and if we want to evaporate our fruit, we just need to tap and hold on the fruit that we want to evaporate like this, and you will see a star after you have evaporated a fruit. And if you want to evaporate, you just need to tap and hold on it, and the star will be removed. It means that you already evaporated your fruits. And this feature will protect your valuable fruits, guys, just in case if you want to keep it in your inventory. It won't be sold when you sell all your inventory. Let me evaporate this Aurora tomato, and I'm going to, oh, who's kicking me? Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to sell all my inventory, and let's see the Aurora tomato. Okay, as you can see guys, that the Aurora tomato is still here because I have evaporated this fruit. Okay guys, and that's how you can evaporate and unevaporate your fruits and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.